Hi everyone, this is a video about multimeter leads under £10, and most of the time you get these rubbish ones, and some of the good ones that they are here, the most of the multimeters they come with something like this, that they are flexible and good. They are under 4, sometimes 5, under £5. It's soft, but it retains its shape, and for the purpose of this video I have some silicone leads here with banana plugs, just to show you how a silicone cable would react to what you are doing. And they have been folded up like so for a long time, but when you open them they just open and they don't retain the shape that they have been folded on. And this one, it just came with my an multimeter, and it's not bad, but the cable in comparison to the silicone is not as thick, and obviously it's not silicone, and it's not bad just to try to see, not to go over high voltage, but for a small tests is okay. And we put this there, and then we come to these, that there are a lot of them on eBay. They are really cheap, under £4 this one is, with all of these connectors. The quality of all of these, they are not really good, and the cable is atrocious, and is not really something to shout about. And as you see, it just retains its shape and is not really good at all. But even these, they are coming in different sort of quality, and the next quality is this one that I'm going to compare it for you. This one, as you see, the cable, let me just straighten it. Although that I have straightened this, as you see, is really rubbish. So this is under £4 and not very good, and this one is a better quality of the same design, and as you see, the cable is much thicker than this rubbish one that is no good at all. And if we unfold this cable, for the purpose of this video I just do the red one, and you see the red is much better. The new one is much better. In total, this one it came with my old Aneng, and is better quality. The cable is thicker, and in general it has better quality of leads and all the components, and somehow I recommend this one, not that one. And this one is obvious, they come in this blue packaging, so if you come across this, don't buy this. so we put this aside because it's not really good. But this one, that it comes in a plastic bag, this one is really good. I assume the price of this is not going to be the same as that one. I really recommend this one for around the house if you want to have different connectors while you are doing your tests. As you see, the cable is really flexible and good, so I also recommend this one. But this one is not good, and the other one is not good, and somehow I come across this set that is a little bit dearer, and this one the price was $8.45, so under £9. The cable of the lead itself is not bad at all. It's thick, but is not silicone as usual, and the ends are like this. I don't like the ends that they connect like sort of vertical. I like them in this way, that they are not on your way and you can turn them around, and it's really good. And the end of this is going to be adapted to the leads. Let me get the appropriate lead here. It just goes in there, and you have the protective tip here that is really easy to get out. And then you have other attachments that you can use. For instance, this alligator clip that is of reasonable quality. And then we have these test leads, component test leads that they attach to this, and I really am happy with this test lead because it's good quality and it's multifunctional, and somehow it works well. So I put them all together, and then I come back and tell you which one I recommend. So I got all of them back together. The first that is not going to be recommended is this one, because the cable is so thin and the quality of the leads and all of that is not really good. It's just cheapo, so not recommend this one. But this one that is the same as this one, that it comes with all of these connecting options. Definitely this one is recommended because the cable is thick and flexible, and everything about this is good quality, although it is a little bit more expensive than this one, but is recommended by all means. But you have to remember that these are all cheaper stuff, that they have good qualities, but none of these are recommended for high voltage. All of them, they are just at the most with 40 volts DC, not AC. I never risk it with all of these. I have better ones for mains voltage. I never use these for any voltage above 40 volts DC at least. So this one is recommended. This one it came with my link. As I told you, the cable is really thin, it's not of good quality. Not recommending this one because it's just basic and not of much of good quality here. So this one, it goes there. But this I recommend this one by all means. Is hefty, is heavy, is feeling like silicone, but obviously is not silicone. The cable is flexible and thick, and it has many other options like these component test leads and the alligator clips that is really of good quality. And so these two are recommended, but again I have to mention, none of these are good for high voltage. Never use these cheapos for high voltages. Anyhow, this was a not very short video about these cheap test leads, and I hope you find it useful and enjoyed my video. And until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.